Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap El Dorado local and long distance movers near me. Local movers are all you need to have a good relocation experience within El Dorado, but kill the idea of hiring them if you're moving into El Dorado from far away. Long distance is a different kind of relocation, and its challenges are best handled by those specializing in it. El Dorado Long Distance 3 Movers are a great choice to consider when planning long distance relocation, and a little dig into shows qualities you should look out for in a long distance mover. When hiring a long distance mover, you should look out for one with fair prices and insurance coverage. Avoid being cheated by requesting moving quotes from different movers. When this is done, you can know the regular moving prices and kick out the overpriced options. You need insurance to be protected from potential damages, and you can find out if a mover has insurance by contacting their provider to verify. Some movers are not just drivers, but are great at every activity that makes up relocation: packing your belongings, loading them into the truck, unloading the truck at arrival, unpacking them, and even rearranging your house. They are called full-service movers, and you can give them a call if sitting out the relocation process sounds great to you. Any El Dorado full-service moving team can be recommended to you or found in directories, but here are some tips for choosing a great option to work with. First, read through their terms and conditions to be sure it favors you, and demand clarity on any confusing parts. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our El Dorado moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.